Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to clean your animals. Sometime above animal head you will see brush icon. It means that you have to clean the animal. In this case, let's go to Green Pasture Ranch and go to shopping station. Select brush blueprint. And now let's go and create it. Now let's go to the animal that needs cleaning and clean it with the brush in your hand. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.